A fake city with fake people on the rooftops of real buildings. Sounds strange? It was one of the most brilliant camouflage tricks in the United States during World War II. Outside Seattle, America had a massive Boeing aircraft factory. These planes weren't just expensive. Today's price would be over $3 million each. They were priceless for the war effort. So how do you hide a factory this big? Authorities turned to Hollywood. Set designers and prop makers, out of work at the time, were hired to help. On the flat rooftops of the real plant, they built a miniature fake city. Streets, houses, cars, even little figurines of people. Everything was scaled down, but looked real from the sky. Beneath this rooftop city, 30,000 workers were building up to 300 warplanes every single day. Hollywood magic saved American industry from enemy eyes. Would you have guessed such a trick was real? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more incredible history.